I might have a controversial take here, but bear with me. Frankly, I don't think there is a reason or there's a need for any kind of tech advancement nowadays, because all the tech we've seen on the market, all the tech different companies provide is well sophisticated enough for a company to achieve any setup they want. When doing our research on what was happening last year for the prop firm space, we noticed that it usually comes down to two reasons. One being they're very good at marketing. They understand all the community building, all the channels which are usually not as well developed in brokerage space, because the majority of brokerages will be just affiliate focused or IBs focused. And they're just lacking the knowledge and know-how of the risk management aspect. So they onboard lots of clients and then they just blow up because they are not able to sustain. The other part is that when it is a brokerage based, they might be lacking those marketing skills, or like they don't quite understand why they should be on TikTok and in Discord. Right. So here I would say don't focus way too much on tech providers or what they are trying to lock you into the system, and focus on building and establishing your unique service. You need to work with your clients. You need to understand what they need, what they want, what kind of functionality is available on your platforms already, and utilize that rather than look for a new and innovative, feature.